Hello, hello. Hotbed update. It's got too hot. You never believe it, would you? It's actually creating so much heat. The onion pips that were growing on nicely have had wilted leaves. I've had to cut off the wilt. You can see there they've started to wilt off. Too hot. It's really not good. It's cooked the cabbages. It's cooked the kohlrabi. The beetroot, well, they don't like it at all. So I've had to take everything off the top for a minute because it's still sitting at 72 degrees, 71, 72 degrees. And you can visibly see the steam rising off of it now when I took the top off just now. Too hot. So basically, I've got to wait now for it to cool down. Oh well, made a rod from my own back there, didn't I? Anyway, we can always get over it. So we'll come back a few days and see if we can get down into the green, and then I think it should be alright. I'll put a thermometer on the top of the timbers and see what temperature they're running at in a minute. Keep on gardening. I'm gonna.